Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about Leadpages features. Get online with the help of Leadpages, the leading platform for business growth. With the help of our content optimization tools, you can easily boost your website traffic and improve its performance. Pop-ups, alert bars, checkout forms. You can easily DIY digital marketing. We make it so that you don't have to resort to plugins or endure web designer drama. Websites, landing pages, alert bars, and pop-ups. Code-free, drag and drop builder. Mobile responsive templates. SEO-friendly pages. Powerful integrations. Opt-in form builder. Real-time conversion tips. Simplified analytics. A/B testing. Make every piece of content count. Publish, post content, and optimize it all for business growth. Turn your hard-won web traffic into more leads and sales. Complete conversion toolkit, pop-ups, alert bars, and checkout forms. Fast page load speed, digital file hosting, real-time analytics, and so much more. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.